Alright, let's go over practice exam number 8. Right, so we want to, part A, we want to integrate, evaluate this definite integral. Right, so first thing we do is we're gonna simplify the integrand. So you have integral from 1 to 4, right, then here. So I'm gonna write the square root of x as usual, x to the 1/2 power, right? So x divided by, first part is x divided by x to the 1/2 power. So x divided by x to the 1/2 power, right? Then there's a minus sign here, minus, right? Then you have a 2 divided by x to the 1/2 power. So just splitting the fraction into two fractions with respect to x. Right. Next step is we're going to write it as a power function. So you have a 1 to 4. Right. X divided by x to the 1/2 power is, x is same thing as x to the first power. So we do the subtraction between 1 and 1/2. So 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. So this is the same thing as x to the 1/2. Right. So negative 2 is just a constant. So negative 2. Right, and this is a reciprocal, so you just have to put the negative power, so it's a negative 1/2 power. Right, then we can take the antiderivative by just using the power rule. Right, so add 1 to the power, so 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. Right, divide by 3/2 is the same thing as multiply by 2/3. Right, so you have a negative 2. Right, then you have add 1 to the power, so negative 1/2 plus 1 is positive 1/2. Right, divided by 1/2 is same thing as multiplied by 2. Right, so we have that. Then you want to go from 1 to 4. Right, so go ahead and plug in. Right, you have 2/3 in front. Right, times, right, 4, then you have a 1/2 power is a square root, so it's 2 cubed, so it's 8, minus 2 times 2 is 4, right, then this is a square root of x, so a square root of 4 would be 2, right, minus, right, plugging 1, it's going to be 1 to the any power is 1, so it's at 2/3 minus 4. Right, so what we get is, let's see, this is going to be a 12 over 2 times 8 is 16 over 3. Here is minus 8. Here is minus 2 over 3, and a minus, so it's a plus 4. Right, then combining these two, so 16 over 3 minus 2 over 3 is 14 over 3. Right, combining these guys together. Right, combining negative 8 and the positive 4, you have minus 4. Right, but the 4 is same thing as 12 over 3, so 14 over 3 minus 12 over 3, so therefore it's a 2/3. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.